In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up as a WP Engine affiliate program partner. Whether you're looking to monetize your website traffic or dive into the world of affiliate marketing, WP Engine offers a fantastic opportunity for you to grow your business. So without further ado, let's get started on your journey to becoming an affiliate partner. First, you'll want to navigate to the WP Engine affiliates page. Open your favorite web browser and type in wpengine.com/affiliates. This page will provide all the information you need about their affiliate program, including the benefits and potential earnings you can expect as a collaborator. Once you're on the affiliate page, you'll notice a straightforward guide that will walk you through the process. Follow this guide as it points you in the right direction. Next, look for the Join Now button. Clicking this will bring you to the application page where you'll begin setting up your affiliate account. Now, you're at an important step. It's time to fill out the affiliate application form. This section requires a bit of attention to ensure everything is filled out correctly. Start by entering your name in the designated field. Your full name is important for identifying your account, so make sure it matches any official documents you might need later. After that, provide your email address. This is crucial because it's where WP Engine will send updates about your application and, once approved, details about your referrals and earnings. Make sure you use an email address you check regularly and have access to. Next, you'll need to input your website or the platform you intend to use for your affiliate marketing. This step allows WP Engine to understand your promotional strategy and where their services will be advertised. It's important to be accurate here as WP Engine reviews these details closely. Following this, you'll have to enter your payment information. Affiliates typically earn commission payments, so ensure that the details provided are correct and up to date to avoid any payout issues. This information will generally include your bank details or payment processor information. Once you've completed the form, it's time to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to review them carefully, as they define the rules of engagement and set expectations for your affiliate role. When you're ready, click to agree and proceed to the next step. You're almost there. Hit the Submit Application button to complete the process. This submission will send your application to the WP Engine team for review. After submission, it's just a matter of waiting. WP Engine will review your application and send you an approval email if everything is in order. Keep an eye on your inbox for any correspondence from them. And that's it! Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a WP Engine affiliate partner. With your application submitted, you're on the path to tapping into the resources and potential earnings offered by WP Engine. Stay tuned to their emails for further updates, and soon enough, you'll be able to start earning through your affiliate links.